Hey, and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking about an application that can be used with children to teach them how to learn the basics of coding. So the first thing you'll need to do is go ahead and head to either the Play Store or the App Store on your Apple device to find the application. In this case, we're using Android, so we're going to go ahead and head to the Play Store, and we're going to search for Tommy the Turtle. Now the first app that comes up here should be Tommy the Turtle Learn to Code. We're going to click on this app here. And then you're going to need to install the app by clicking the install app that will appear here. Now since I already have the app installed, you can see that it's going to give me the option to open it. So again, this is an application that is meant to teach children how to learn the basic concepts of coding. Now this is a great tool for teachers to be able to teach children in their classrooms how to code as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the application. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Open button. Alright, so once you open the application for the first time here, you can see we're at the main menu, and the first thing you'll probably want to do is go ahead and run through the tutorial. So click on this tutorial option here at the top, and click on Continue. Okay, so here we're in the tutorial. Let's go ahead and look at what we're going to be doing here. So on the left-hand side here, you can see that there are a number of different commands that you can give this turtle to move forward. So Tommy's going to move to whatever command that you give him, and this is teaching your children and students the concepts that you would be using if you were coding. So let's go ahead and look at what we're going to be doing here. Let's go ahead and click on the flashing forward button here. Now we can click on play. So it's very simple here, whatever command you select, and then when you click on the play button, that's the command that Tommy's going to follow. Once you're done, you can clear your selection, and he'll return to his normal position. Let's go ahead and click on forward again, and backward, and play again. So again, the concept here is that you're using these commands just as you would if you were coding. So this is going to teach students the basic concepts that are used whenever you're coding. Alright, so we're back at the main menu here, and we're going to go ahead and look at the challenge mode to see what you can do with this application. So let's go ahead and click on challenge. And in this case, we're going to select Tommy Moves. You can see that there are 3 other selections you can choose from as well. Alright, and so what you're going to be doing in the challenge mode is you're going to be trying to accomplish specific objectives by using the commands on the left-hand side. Again, if you were coding, these are the kinds of commands that you would be using to be able to run whatever application you're creating. So this is going to be a really good starting point for any students who are learning to eventually code. So here we want to help Tommy to say hello to the cat. So we're going to go ahead and use the commands on the left-hand side to figure out how to accomplish that task. I'm going to go ahead and just select forward a few times, and we're going to click on play. Now you can see if you make a mistake, it's going to just show you that the selection that you made was incorrect, and you can actually go ahead and add on commands, or you can use the erase button to delete commands to try over. Alright, so I just added on another forward command here. I'm going to go ahead and click on play once more to go ahead and start from the beginning here. So here you can see that we're going to allow Tommy to move all the way over to the cat. So once you complete the task, you're going to get a congratulations message here, and you can click on next to continue with the next task. Now each time you accomplish a challenge, you're going to get a more difficult challenge the next time, and it's going to gradually increase in difficulty. So this is going to challenge your students to think critically and figure out how to use these commands to accomplish tasks. Again, this is very relevant to coding, and allows students to build the connection between commands and what actually functions in the application. Alright, and going back to the main menu here, again, we've looked at the tutorial function. You can go on and use the challenge mode if you like, as we've seen, or if you'd like, you can even go to free play mode, where you'll be able to just play around with the commands as you like. It's a very simple application and very useful for children who are looking to learn to code, great for teachers to teach their students as well. Just search for Tommy the Turtle on the Google Play Store or on the iOS App Store, and you can download it for free today. That's it for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.